this is me again, Backseat. For today's video, we're going to discuss another operating system, which we are going to discuss in installing and setting up for you to be able to use it. And although it's not already supported by Microsoft. And to the next step, first we must prepare our computer by going to the BIOS system and by pressing F2, F8, F10 or F12. And from this setup, from the screen, you can see there, select whether CD or USB drive you're going to boot up your computer so that it will read the installation media. And it will try to load files first. And it will load the screen and go to the next screen, which will allow you to choose whether to install or repair your computer using Windows 7. And the next screen, you need to put up or select informations so that it will try now to go to the setup screen for you to install Windows 7, and it will ask you to approve the licensing agreement first. Okay, and then to the next slide, it will ask you to select whether what drive you want to install the operating system. You may also, okay, so next slide, it will ask you to select whether to install a new operating system or update the current operating system of your drive, memory drive. After that, the next slide, it will try now to install or put in the operating system Windows 7, whether Ultimate or whatever brand, what you call this, edition of Windows 7. It will try, after it's done, it will ask you to reboot your computer and remove the installation media, so that it will go to this next screen, which will uh, let you put in some informations for your computer to be used for the first time. After it's done, it will now go to your what you call this, first time use of your operating system to your computer. So what we have done is we try to set up or install your computer to use Windows 7, whether what it is, and to let you all know also, it is important to install drivers, all the necessary drivers for your computer also. You need to connect to the internet to do that, and then research for the drivers for the display, whether it's Wi-Fi or Ethernet. And then research for drivers for the display, the sound card, and then if you want to upgrade to or to install an update, which is Service Pack 1 for your Windows 7, those are the necessary things that you need to do after you have completed installing the operating system to your computer. And then all those three informations or necessary update to your computer, you're good to go. Okay, and a while ago, we tried to install it only using one operating system. In another video, we're going to discuss in what they call this, dual booting with another operating system. But I think I can discuss it with you right now. We can do that since you have this video in installing one of the operating systems. It's similar where whether what operating system you're going to install to your computer, but make sure first to install Microsoft operating system first before you install any other operating system. And another operating system I would like to recommend is Linux Mint version of operating system. Linux Mint, that is one of the good operating systems you can install for free online. And to do that, I recommend you installing first Microsoft and then installing the second operating system, which is, for example, Linux Mint operating system, because the computer will will automatically detect first Microsoft operating system first, and then any other operating system will follow. For example, Linux Mint operating system. And when you try to boot up your computer, it will give you a graphic user interface, and then it will allow you now to select whether which operating system will you want to use, whether it's Microsoft or Linux. And for example, for Linux, the version is Linux Mint. So that's it for the meantime for this video. Thank you so much, sorry, for watching. This is me again, Baxid. Stay safe and enjoy. Bye for now.